We have another customer case for you today. This is the material that one of our Malaysian customers cut, which is cigarette paper with 25 GSM. After visiting our factory and negotiating business, the customer placed an order. We produced it in the factory and delivered to the customer's end. We also arranged our engineer to install and commission on site at the customer's factory. The installation started on February 16 and went smoothly until February 21st, when everything was up and running as expected. The machine is now being used by the customer without any problems. We look forward to establishing long-term cooperation with this new customer.